So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the new things to know about the new Teams icon. And by the way guys, I'm currently inside the Teams application right now, and you might ask me why is it blank? Because this account is new. I really don't have an organization account for Teams, and by the way, that's one thing to take note of. The new Teams application is not applicable for personal emails. That's one thing to take note of. So the first thing new here is gonna be the logo. Upper left, you can see that there is a word new, and technically that is the new logo of Teams. And the best update, or the best new update regarding this account, or rather this application, it's faster and lighter. It just feels faster. Everything you do here, the user interaction, the UI, it's really crispy, it's really fast. And that being said, there are things that you should take note about this one, especially on the upper right section. If you click your account, you'll see this options right there where you can now set up your work location, your work status, your availability, and so on and so forth. You can also sign out and add another account right there, but we're not gonna do that for now. And by the way guys, this is the one I'm talking about. Activity in your other accounts or orgs. Before, you only get activity here and you cannot really open them, but with this new account, you can simply click on it and view those notifications in easy as 2 seconds only, not even 2 seconds. And that being said, that is the much anticipated update on Teams. It's much faster. And if you go here, there should be a toggle button here. Once you click on it, you'll go back to the old Teams. So since you cannot see it right now, because I have the old Teams installed on my PC. So if I don't have it installed and I only have this new Teams, should be a toggle button right there. So if you're seeing a toggle button right there, try clicking it or toggling it off, and you'll automatically go back to the old Teams. Basically, that's gonna be it. And that being said, the channels here. So since this is a new account, the faster channel switching, that's the new update also. So basically, the bottom line with this one, the new update is faster and much lighter. So if you click on the 3 dots right there and click on settings, you'll arrive on the settings page, right? So these are the few updates regarding new Teams. You'll have this appearance and accessibility where you can change or follow the themes inside your operating system. So if you want it light, it's perfectly good to go. If you want it dark, it's up to you. But if you follow your OS theme, it will go dark if you have a dark theme on your OS. But for now, I'm gonna go for light just for discussion purposes. And if you go right here in devices, there is an update here where you can have a very good noise cancellation. For example, this one, you can put it on high, and the spatial mode is also good right there. That being said, you can specifically choose the microphone and USB you have over here. And if you go to privacy right there, you can make sure that you block certain numbers. But this is from old Teams. The new update for this one, it's much more intense on blocking people. Now if you go back to calendar right there and schedule a meeting. So for example, let's try clicking a new meeting right here. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, click on Meet now. I want to show you how it works right there. So let's see if it works. Join now. And as you saw right there, with just a click of a button, not even a 1 second, it opened a meeting. That's what I highlight about this one. It's so fast, it's much crispier, it's much lighter. So since we're ready to track that out, I can leave. But before I leave, I want to share this one. If you have your mouse on this more button right there, I'm looking for that background effects because there are new effects and avatars here. These are the new effects. I think there are 4 in total, and 1 of each are very good. And that being said, leave the meeting right there and go back now to the home section. So if you go back to the home section, since I don't have a conversation here technically, I can just, for example, type this one, sample. I'm just gonna keep on typing here and check if I can open up or open this in a new conversation. So for example, this is from another person, and basically if I click on these 3 dots right there, there should be a collapse button here. If you click on collapse button there, you'll have a new window with that specific conversation, and you can reply to it by itself. You don't have to go here back or go to the other channel and then go back from there. It's basically multitasking. That's it. And that being said, those are the new notifications, or rather new notification updates on Teams. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.